Hey there. Today we have one more customization for your events. And this time it's about the fonts and the type of fonts and family of fonts of your event. By default, we are using the Roboto font from Google Fonts, but you can now change the full fonts from your event. In order to do that, you can come to the look and feel of your event inside the cockpit, and here on the advanced styling settings, you can see that there's a new section here which is custom font. In this case, you can select any font from Google Fonts that will allow you to change dynamically the font of your event. Let's just put this font here and see how it looks like. You can see that the fonts of throughout the full event have been changed, and you can give another touch to your event and customize it in the way that you would like to. We hope that this will really enhance once again your events, personalize it to what you want it to be, and as always, just let us know what you think about it and which new features and customizations you'd like to have on your events. Thank you very much, and looking forward to your feedback.